Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick note here to let you know something that I just learned about. One of the channel's longtime subscribers, a great friend of the channel, Chaz, sent me a message that batteries for the Autel Evo are for sale at Best Buy for $49.99, 50 bucks. Well, that's a really good price, considering I think they were, what, 120 before or something. B&H lists them for $90 right now, but they're not in stock. It says more on the way. Who knows when that'll get, when they'll get more. So anyway, my understanding is, and I think I've experienced this, that the batteries on the Evos fail after a while. So if you have an Evo and your batteries aren't all that new, I encourage you to get to bestbuy.com and order a couple or three batteries so that you've got plenty of batteries to last you, for the coming years. Sooner or later, they're going to discontinue these things from Autel, and you don't want to be left with a drone that you can't get a replacement battery for, and your batteries are failing. So as I ordered them. I got two of them, and I ordered yesterday, and they've already shipped through BestBuy.com, so that's a good deal. I checked, and my local store even has them in stock. So I encourage you, if you own an Autel Evo, to go online to BestBuy.com or check your local BestBuy.com and place an order for a couple or three of those batteries at this great price, and you'll be all set for a long time.